you before you go. Here for your every satisfaction if you ain't know. No matter what it is who you talk about, I have something you say that it ain't worth it. What happens when you start treating you worse than that? What happens when you start treating you worse than that? He put his hands on you. If only I was there to be that man for you.